I'd like to embrace you. I really love you as a human being. Talagang mahal ko kayo. At every time na may nabasa ako, minsan alam ng mga aide ko, yung mga pulis na babae, tinatapon ko yung mga umabot sa akin na briefer. I mean, I see na mayroong casualties, gano'n. Puta na, nasisira ang araw ko. Pero even then, that's part of my job, to worry about you. All you have to do is just to worry about your personal safety. With that, I say again, that ako believe sa sundalong Pilipino at kaya ko ginagawa lahat para at least you can protect yourself and you will see through in this conflict ng bangs. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And in behalf of the Filipino people, the entire population, maraming salamat sa kagitingan ninyo. I am not a Filipino for nothing. I did what I had to do. And whether you believe it or not, I did it for my country.
Pilipinas, Duterte pa rin ang tunay na nagmamahal sa atin. Laban niya ay laban natin. Pilipinas, Duterte pa rin. Inang bayang minamahal, lagi kang ipagdarasal na muli kitang makita.